Hi, how are you everybody? This is Mr. Magdi from MYS International School. Today we're gonna continue what we have started about linear. Today we're gonna see how we make graphing linear equation. To graph linear equation, you must identify slope and y-intercept or 2 points. Slope and y-intercept or point slope or 2 points. We will see this one. If it's a given graph, how would you determine equation? If it's a given graph, how would you determine equation? First, yes, like this one. It's a given graph. How would we determine equation which represents this graph? First, y-intercept -2, it means we have two answers wrong, which is A and C. A and C wrong. Then we determine a slope from this two identical point on line from 5 to 2. Run to right and go down 2. Go down, it means -2. And run to right, it means 5. It means -2/5. It means the answer is what? The answer is D. The answer is D. Okay. One of you may say you can get slope directly, but we have two slopes the same. We have two slopes same by identify y-intercept. Let's see next one. Y equal negative half y. Y equal negative half y. How would we determine which graph is y equal negative half y? Y equal negative half y. Y equal negative x equal negative half y. X equal negative half y. How would we determine which one is solution? First, yes, you can get two identical points and substitute, but you will take 2 points from this line, not the same 2 points from this line, not the same 2 points from this line, not the same 2 points from this line. It's a huge of substitution. Okay, by the way, which one from this 4 is wrong? Yes, C. Why? Because it's y-intercept is 0. There is no y-intercept. I need to write this one as y equal. What we should do? Yes, multiply -2 multiply -2. It became -2x. It became -2x equals y. Now it's easy. My slope is negative. My slope is negative from left to right goes down. It means first one wrong. This one or this one? You may now substitute with 1 point. Substitute with 3, 1. Here. Substitute with 3, 1. It makes -2 times 3 equals 1. Is this true statement? Wrong. It means it's not right. It means it's not right. It means my solution, this graph. It means my solution, this graph. First, determine slope and y-intercept only. How would we make this one? Make y equal. By making y equal. Let's see another one. If the line horizontal, what do you think if the line horizontal? Apply Hoy-Vix. What is horizontal line? Y equal horizontal line horizontal line y equal vex, it means vertical line. This one horizontal looks like this one, and this one vertical looks like this one, equal x equal. In this case, what do we have? Yes, we have horizontal line passing through -4. It means the equation of this line y equal -4. Yes, great. This is how you determine horizontal line, vertical line, or inclined line by determine slope and y-intercept. By determine slope and y-intercept. Let's see another. In this example, how would you determine which equation represented by this table, or which equation represents the table? By substitution, right? Or by what? Yes, by what? By slope. Because slope different in each equation. Look, slope here 2, slope here 3, slope here 4. I can get slope directly, like they did today. How would we get the slope? Yes, 7 minus 1 over 4 minus 2. 6 over 2 makes what? 3. It means B is right. It means B is right. Yes, great. Okay, if it's given 2 points, how would you determine which equation passing through these 2 points, or which equation represented these 2 points? It's easy. Here's the same idea. Different slope, I can get slope directly. How would we get slope? If you have different slope, you can get slope directly. -5 minus 3 over 4 minus -2. It makes -8 over 6, which what? It's not simplified. Divide 2 up, divide 2 down. Divide 2 up, divide 2 down. It means -4 over 3. Yes, it's obvious, which is what? C. Okay, let's see another example. He said, the graph of f of x is a line in the xy plane that passes through the point 0, 2, and its slope 5. Passes through point 0, 2. What is 0, 2 represent? Yes, great. One of you said it's y-intercept. It means it's a +2. It means this one right or this one right. It means the other two wrong, because this is y-intercept. What about slope? Slope 5. It means it's what? D. We're gonna see now. How could you find slope in SAT? Now this one, how could you form a equation? If it's a given graph, how you make a equation? Or if it's a given table, how you can make a equation? We will see the slope. How would you get slope from table? How would you get slope from this table? Yes, to determine which equation represented by this table, you can get slope directly. Slope here 1, and the slope here also 1, and the slope here C, and the slope here 3C. How would we get this one? How would we get this one? How would we get this one? 2C minus C over 1 minus 0 makes C. It means I need slope C. Yes, directly this one. Or you can go by substitution. It's up to you. It's also right. You can substitute x with 0, but you will make 2 trials to get what? To get C. You're gonna make 2 trials. Okay, by the way, let us proceed to next table. This is how we use the slope in table, or how we get slope from table. If I give you a equation like this one, look, it's not easy going this one. My equation x ax, my equation ax plus by equals b, and I have this condition, which is what? A greater than 0, it means it's a positive, and less than b greater than a. How would we get the line? How would we get the line? I can get, yes, by identify x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept, how do we get x-intercept? How can you find x-intercept? Yes, by set y for 0. It means ax equals b. It means your x is what? B over a. B more than a. It means this fraction more than what? 1. Yes, it means my x-intercept more than 1. This is 1. This is negative. This is no. This is more than 1. This is less than 1. It means it's what? C, by identifying only x-intercept. But you must apply this one, b over a, which is more than 1. And one of you today, they made substitution. They substitute a with 1 and b with 2, and identified x and y, it's 2, 1, by getting x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is 2 because set y for 0. Y-intercept is 1 because set x was 0. It's also same. It's also same. Then 2 points. If it's a given 2 point, how would you determine slope? From this situation, look. Maria's English teacher has noticed that Maria is behind in her reading. To catch up, Maria is assigned to read K pages per day. She gonna read K pages per day. Look, what's meant by this one? Each day she will read K pages. What's meant by this one? This is what? This is slope. Why is this slope? Increase each day by certain amount. Increase each day by fixed amount. Increase each day by fixed amount. It means it's what? It's a slope K. It means here we have 2 points, which is what? After 7 days, she already read what? 120. After 7 days, she read 120. After 11 days, she read 196. How would we get slope? Yes, y2 minus y1, 196 minus 120 over 11 minus 7. Look to this one. By making ordinary subtraction, because this one non-calculator section. 6 minus 0 makes 6. 9 minus 2 makes 7, divided by 11 minus 7 makes what? 4. How would we make this one? You can make it like someone told me, 4 times 20 make 80. Take out 4, it means reduced by reduce 20 by 1, it means it's a 19, right? Or you can make like this one, 76 divide 4. 7 divide 4, I need number, multiply 4 gives me 7, or number nearest, it means 1, and after that one you will make multiply. 1 times 4 makes a 4, then subtract 3 and drop down 6. 36 divide 4 makes 9. It means it's what? 19. It means it's 19 pages per day. 19 pages per day. This one, it's so useful to understand the meaning of slope, meaning of linear in a real life situation, meaning how do you understand linear progression in a day. Okay, by the way, we will complete 2 points. We finish slope, we go to y-intercept. Look to this one. How do we use y-intercept? How do we use y-intercept? Let's see this application. This application from a real life situation. from S80 previous trial. It's written that to earn money for a college, Avery works two part-time jobs, job A and job B. Horizontal line, do you know? Yes. If you have graph, you must know what is x-intercept and what is y-intercept. Y-intercept represent, yes, number of hours spent in job B. And x-axis represent, yes, number of hours spent at job A. Okay, this is number of hours and this is number of hours. She said she earned $10 per hour working in job A. This is number of hour. She takes $10 per hour. It means the 10 times number of hours spent in job A plus 20 per hour. 20 per hour spent in job B. It means A is number of hours spent in job A, and B, you can make this simple, or you can make X, Y, it's up to you. But X number of hours for A and B number of hours for B. It's written that the graph above represents all possible combination. All possible combination of numbers of hours Avery could have worked at two jobs to earn S dollars. To earn S dollars. What is the value of S? It means how much she can earn. How much she can earn, how many dollars. What is S maybe? What is S maybe? This line formed from what? Infinite point. Maybe she work here in this one, 0. In this point, what is this point? Yes, 0.5. What's meant by 0.5? She gonna spend 0 hours in job A and 5 hours in job B. We can take this one also, but it's not exactly point and 5 and 5. I think it's right or no, I don't know. Okay, by the way, she spent the 5 in A and the 5 in B. And this one, she spent, yes, 16 hours in A and 0 hour in B. To get S, you must know what? A and B. Any point give you the answer. Any point give you the answer. But this one not exactly. It means any point satisfies this equation. Yes, just only substitution. Just it. But the main idea how to form this one. You must know how to form this one. I need the total amount of money she gonna earn if she work a part-time in job A and in job B. I'll substitute with 0.5. 0 for A. It means 10 times 0. Plus 5 for B. 5 for B. 0, sorry, this is 0.8. This is 0.8. And 8 for B. It means my summation is 160. Yes, I finish. If I substitute with the other point, they give me the same amount? Yes. 10 times 16 makes 160. 20 times 0 makes 0. It means also S is 160. What we did here, we already using intercepts. We're already using intercept. X-intercept and Y-intercept. Let's see another example. Yes, look to this one. Yes, it's a big text. Number of cornflower and the number of wallflowers at a garden store. Look, this one, number of cornflower, number of wallflower, and the number of cornflower. What does this dot represent? If I take this point, for example, what does this point represent? It's 0, 12. It means 0 from cornflower and 12 from wallflower. If we take this point, yes, 4 and 9. Yes, 4 and 9. This combination, it's number of cornflower and the number of wallflower. Why it's scattered? Because you can't buy 1.5 flour. You can't buy 1.5 flour. Okay, let's see the context. It's written that the points plotted in the coordinate plane above represented the possible number of wallflowers and cornflowers that someone can buy at garden, the store, in order to spend exactly 24. Imagine in your pocket you have $24. You need to buy wallflowers and cornflowers total on the two types of flour. You're gonna spend all $24. You're gonna spend all $24. Okay? You're gonna spend all $24. The price of each wallflower is the same, and the price of cornflower is the same. What is the price of one cornflower? What is the price of one cornflower? What do you think? What do you think? All what you can spend? $24. This is all what you can spend. You will spend this one to buy cornflower and wallflower. You're gonna spend this one and cornflower and wallflower. This is cornflower plus wallflower equal 24. But here it must be the price of each. It must be the number of each. This is number and this is also number. Sorry. This is number. I don't know this number. You can make it X. And this one you can make it Y. How would we know? W? If I need W, which ordered pair makes this assignment? Which ordered pair? Yes, 16 and 0. I'll use this point. I'll buy 16 cornflower and 0 wallflower. It means this one 0, this one 0, and I'll buy 16. It means 16C equal 24. It means C is what? 24 divided 16. It means 1.5. It means 1.5, 1.5. Similarly, we can get the price of wallflower. Yes, I'll spend 24. Yes, I'm gonna spend $24. And I'll buy what? 12 wallflower. It means the 12 wallflower equal 24. It means the price of wallflower gonna be what? $2. Thank you for being with me. This is Mr. Magdi, SAE teacher from MOIS International School. Till we meet again, thank you.